Hello! This lesson will show you how to access Library Search and find an article. Now I will use the same term I used earlier to find an article in Library Search, and that term is vaccines. I will enter VACCIN**, and I will select Articles and click on the magnifying glass. Notice the fifth article in the list, SARS-CoV-2 Vaccines Status Report by Fatima Amanat and Florian Kramer, published in the journal Immunity. Also note from the record that the journal is peer-reviewed and that it is an open access publication. I will click on the title. If I click on Download PDF, I will be able to read the article on my screen. You may have to authenticate with your BroncoNet ID and password to get to this point. Once I am on this screen, I will click on Download to download the file. And here is the article. If you have questions on how to use Library Search, please contact the library by clicking on Ask Us on the library homepage, or contact your subject librarian. Thank you for watching.